Let's move on to the Live TV app. Open the Blue TV app, and you'll notice that Blue TV V4 features a new design with the previews. When you switch channels, the preview screen won't change until you press the OK button. Press the OK button again, or select the screen and press the OK button. It will go full screen. To search for specific TV channels, press the left button on your remote. You can hold the microphone button on your remote and search by voice, or manually search using the soft keyboard. Press the OK button on your remote, and you'll be able to check the EPG. Select the TV channel and hold the OK button until the star icon turns solid. You can find it in your favorites list. Import the TV channel number to go to the channel, and press the page up or page down button on your remote to switch between two channels. Press the right button on your remote, and you can toggle on the status bar button to display the date and time on the upper right corner. You can also toggle on the internet speed button to display your internet status on the lower right corner. The S4 Pro comes with a new feature that allows you to adjust the aspect ratio. The decode settings are prepared for buffering or freezing situations, and you can change the decode method to solve the issue. We offer two different EPG styles to choose from. The classic style is easier to find program guides in future days. Resource indicates where the program comes from. The feedback option allows you to frequently report problems to us. Our engineers will fix them as soon as they receive them. Press the return button on your remote and confirm to exit the app.